Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Inspire. Today, we're going to talk about some of the most common mistakes new developers make, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Whether you're just starting out or you've been coding for a while, these tips will help you streamline your learning process. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Mistake number 1, skipping the basics. Many new developers try to jump straight into complex frameworks without mastering the fundamentals like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's crucial to have a strong foundation before diving into advanced topics, because everything builds from those basics. Mistake number 2, not reading documentation. Another huge mistake is ignoring documentation. Many developers rely on tutorials, but forget that documentation is often the best and most accurate source of information. Documentation might seem boring at first, but learning to read and use it will save you tons of time in the long run. Mistake number 3, overcomplicating code. When you're new, it's easy to think that complicated code equals better code, but simpler is always better. Don't try to make your code overly complex. It's more prone to bugs and harder to maintain. Focus on writing clean, readable code that you or another developer can understand weeks later. Mistake number 4, not debugging efficiently. Instead of solving errors, some beginners just copy and paste code from the internet, hoping it will work. Learning how to debug is a crucial skill. Use tools like Chrome DevTools and VS Code's debugger to track down and fix errors in your code. Mistake number 5, giving up too soon. The biggest mistake by far is giving up too early. Coding can be frustrating, but persistence is key. Remember, every developer, no matter how experienced, struggled in the beginning. Embrace the struggle, ask for help, and keep going. The rewards are worth it. How to avoid these mistakes? So, how do you avoid these common mistakes? First, take your time and focus on the basics. Don't rush into advanced frameworks or technologies. Next, always take the time to read documentation before Googling for answers. Trust me, it will save you time and headaches. And lastly, embrace the process. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new. So don't give up. And there you have it. Those are some of the most common mistakes new developers make and how to avoid them. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. What mistakes have you made and how did you overcome them? Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you on your coding journey. Until next time, happy coding!